How to redeem codes on Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your mobile. Search roblox.com. Log into your account. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen after you have logged into your account. In here, you'll find desktop site. Make sure there's tick mark in desktop site. After you have done that, simply click on the search bar at the top and just delete home and type in redeem. After that, search. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Below code, add your code and press on redeem at the bottom and you'll be able to redeem your codes. This is how to redeem codes on Roblox mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.